Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add Arabic text without any issues. Let's begin. Adding Arabic text in Capcut without reversal or mirror issues can be a bit tricky because some video editing apps, including Capcut, may not handle right to left languages like Arabic properly by default. However, we're going to show you some workaround by adding Arabic text in Capcut without reversal issues. Alright, because for one, Arabic is a right to left or RTL language, and some apps struggle without displaying it correctly. Alright, reversing or misaligning the text, so adding it properly ensures your text is readable and appears as intended. So we're going to show you one way. Now, if you click the video, for example, I am working with this specific project right now. Alright, and I want to add Arabic text. Because if you do, a proper Arabic text ensures that your video looks polished and culturally appropriate if your intended content is for the Arabic speaking audiences. Incorrectly displaying the Arabic text can confuse viewers, making it harder to understand your message, so fixing the alignment ensures your message is clear and easily readable. So the first thing is, I want you to click the text button on the bottom part corner and then add some text. What will happen is your keyboard will be shown, and I want you to click the keyboard setting. You see there are multiple options here. The GIF, the like a notebook icon, there is a paint icon and the audio or record. And then there is the gear icon, which represents the keyboard setting. I want you to click on it, and I want you to go to the languages. Right now I have like the English US for QWERTY. I want you to click on it, and I want you to add a new keyboard if you haven't already. We're gonna click that, and what will happen is we need to search for language. If we can find Arabic here, that would be nice. So let's try to search for Arab. So there you go. So we have like these options. So it's up to you. What do you want to add from here? All right, maybe I'm gonna be putting in Punjabi for now, but please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm just gonna be adding this for now. If you do that, you would notice that we have already added an Arabic text without gonna create any issues. We're gonna click on done right now. All right, and then from here we can go here back to our CapCut, and if you want to type in Arabic text, you see Punjabi Arabic is now installed. Tap the global key to switch languages, or tap here to add more. All right, if you do, you see this option right here, the global icon. You can now type in, for example, since I'm not familiar, please bear with me. I don't speak Arab or write Arab, so I'm just gonna put in some gibberish letters or characters, and then just click on yes. Now you move this text right here. All right, you can, of course, you can put in an animation for that and effects and a lot more. All right, so doing that would create something that is going to be intended for the Arabic viewers. If your message is going to be for them, you can add an effects right here. For example, trending right here, you can add a different color for the your this and that. So maybe this right here. And then once you are happy with the Arabic text that have been added without any causing issues, I want you to click the export button on top of your screen. If you do, you have now the option to export it to different file formats, maybe send it to your client for feedback, and that's how you add Arabic text without any issues. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.